Flexi-Roll wall pads with or without lips are easy to install and are completely removable. In this video, we will show you how to install the wall padding without the use of glue, making it possible to remove the wall pad if needed. Here is a short list of tools and materials needed to complete the project. Flexi-Roll wall padding, double-sided tape, tape measure, utility blade, Sharpie, pencil, straight edge, and level. Step 1. Unpacking your Flexi-Roll wall pads. When unpacking the wall pads, be sure to use extra care not to cut through the packing material, accidentally cutting the mat. Double check your product label to make sure you have the correct product. While unpacking, be sure to save the extra piece of foam used to protect the mat from the buckle. This Flexi Guide piece is useful for measuring and marking your mat. Double check all measurements for walls and wall padding before you begin to make any cuts. Measure your knife length against the mat thickness to make sure your blade is not too long.
Step 2. Applying the tape.
Using the Flexi Guide piece provided, measure and mark the wall to ensure that the hooks and loops are applied properly. We recommend 3 rows: top, bottom, and middle. Dollamur Flexi-Roll pads can easily be cut around corners or columns. Using your utility blade, trim a 45-degree cut in order to fold your mat around a 90-degree corner. Step 3. Applying the wall pad. Wall pads can easily be installed by one person. Apply even pressure on the mat, making sure all parts of the mat have made contact with the hook and loop.